Panis kay Arvin Tolentino si Hayden Blankley, 3-point shot and 1. Napapasayaw na lang nga itong mga cheerleaders ng SK Knights, pati mga teammates na Arvin ay napatayo sa kanyang ginawa sa kanilang laro sa AESL kalaban ng Hong Kong Eastern. Pero bago nga yan, eto solid na basketball molten. Dating 1,437 pesos, ngayon nga ay mabibili mo na lang ng 475 pesos sa Shopee. Limited offer lang nga ito, kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Click mo na nga yung link sa comment section sa ibaba.
He's the hired gun for the SK Knights. Arvin punches it through. Warney kicks. Tolentino lets it fly. Is fouled. Bergen. And then the same exact spot. Tolentino Burke. Gilbert pulls up. That's a long two. Doesn't work. Tolentino to the board. After trailing by as many as 7. Getting back to Arvin. One dribble pull up. Let's go. Wow. Leon back to their import. Play broken up by Tolentino. And
Get a foul.
take another look at that.
Oh, second steal by Lee.
Tolentino on the run. And then the pull up on the run by Tolentino. Not a lot of coaches. SK Knights. And you gotta love that smile on Arvin. He's loving what he's doing right here for
He'll
the
be approaching that pretty soon.
steal by Tolentino. Arvin against Chan. Leads it. Nice. With a three. Nope. Tolentino again with a board. He pitches it out. And that is another layup. Gilbert with some space. Jordan. See a lot of short.
Sa huli nga ay panalo sa game na ito ang Seoul SK Knights. Nakapagtala nga si Arvin Tolentino ng 12 points sa kanyang 4 of 11 shooting sa field. Nagkaroon din nga ito ng 6 rebounds at 3 assists. Habang naging leading scorer naman nga nila ay ang kanilang foreign import na si Jamel Warney na kumana naman ng 34 points.